As technology evolves, we get a lot of advancements that might have started off as gimmicks to now being essentials. Also, the thing about technology, it takes one person to make the bold move, then with time, as everyone else follows suit, further advancements come and cheaper and better ways to introduce variations to the original product are born. Today, we have a gadget that follows that same path. As a company that has primarily focused on accessories, Oraimo has finally brought its wearable to the Kenyan market with the launch of the Oraimo Watch 2 Plus that is a perfect budget accompaniment to your phone. How much are we talking about? Stick around to find out. From TechWiz, I'm Martin Gedenji with the Oraimo Watch 2 Plus First Impressions. Let's take it and go. Before we continue, a kind request. We have our TechWiz presenter, Daddy Mato, nominated for the Pulse Influencer Awards as Tech Content Creator of the Year. Please go ahead and vote and share with fellow tech enthusiasts. It takes less than 30 seconds, so please indulge us. Link in the description box down below. Also remember to subscribe to the TechWiz channel for more consumer tech news. A quick unboxing simply gets us the watch, a welcome guide, and the charging cable. The watch itself comes with the usual, the watch face and a pair of rubber straps. This is a 1.69-inch TFT screen with a resolution of 240 by 280 pixels, and it has been pushed down to get that budget sweet spot, but still gets really bright when you're outdoors. This is a big screen, so you can view your incoming notifications from calls to texts. It has 2.5D tempered glass. At the back, we have the heart rate sensor, the charging port, and the speaker grill. On the side, we have the home button and spot setting button. We also have the microphone, which we'll talk about later. Our unit came in black. For a budget device, we are getting IP68 water and dust resistance. Dang! Nice! This means you can use it outdoor without worry. But not diving or scuba diving, no. Setting it up is pretty easy. You just download the JoyWear 2 app from the Apple or Google Play Store, as you can connect it to your iOS or Android device. You'll of course need to set up a JoyWear account to use its health features. The app will help you connect with the watch when you have Bluetooth enabled. Once you're paired, you're good to go. The JoyWear 2 app will ask you various health data questions such as height, weight, and gender to estimate calorie burn. Pressing the home button lets you access its apps and features ranging from calls, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen measure, sleep monitor, daily activity rings, stopwatch, music, respiratory rate monitor, and more. The spot setting button quickly gives you access to the 24 sports modes on the Watch 2 Plus, such as outdoor run, cycling, hiking, football, basketball, and more. Swiping down from the top gets you the quick settings toggle where you adjust brightness, sound, torch, do not disturb, and settings. Swiping up lets you access your notifications, such as texts that you had missed. You unfortunately can't reply from the watch, but you can delete. Swiping from the left side gets you quick access to the music player, the call button, settings, and sports modes. You can also increase or decrease volume of the media you're playing on the phone. Swiping from the right gives you access to your daily activities, including the step counter, sleep counter, and heart rate monitor. Apart from the large screen, I also loved the call quality from the watch. Most people I called or called me said I was pretty clear, and I could hear them clearly too from the speaker on the watch. The Oraimo Watch 2 Plus has a 300 mAh battery that can push up to 7 days. With my busy schedule, I was pushing 4 days after I had unplugged it at 70%. The watch is an interesting and affordable smartwatch that ticks most of the boxes you'd want in a smartwatch. Good design, long-lasting battery, large screen, solid build capacity with IP68 certification, ability to take clear calls on it, the health sensors, and a range of sports modes to choose from. We'll still try to push it a bit more to give you a full assessment soon in the in-depth review. But bearing in mind that you'll only be spending 4,500 shillings only to get it, you might as well be getting it and then watch the in-depth review with it in your hands or wrist for that matter. Get it from the Oraimo website that will be linked in the description box down below. Till the next one, we done take it. Now you go.